Hey guys, it is Sabrina Thompson of Thompson Legal Group. It's day number 5 of the 30-day video challenge, and I just want to talk briefly today about safety during traffic stops. I got a question asking if I could provide a few tips on what we can do to stay safe during our traffic stops and other police encounters. As we know, unfortunately, these events can become dangerous and can even be life-threatening. And so here are my top 3 tips of what we can do to stay safe during a traffic stop. Number 1 is to try to stay calm and to be polite when interacting with the police officer. And I know that this can be difficult to do, but it's important to make that effort. Number 2 is to keep your hands visible. I think that the best place for them to be is on the steering wheel. And although you are required to furnish your license, insurance, and registration to the police officer, it's best to wait until they approach you and ask you to do it. That way you can let the officer know, I'm going into my glove box to get those documents, or I'm going into my purse or into my center console or wherever they may be, so that the officer is aware of what you're doing with your hands and not suspicious of your movements. The third and probably most important thing that you should remember is that you should not challenge the officer. You shouldn't debate them. You shouldn't argue with them. Even if you feel that the stop is unjustified or that the police are behaving in an unlawful way, it is not the time to do it during that encounter. That's what court is for. That's what trials are for. And so when you are dealing with police on the street, you have to remember that they have the upper hand and that you should not debate them. Even if it turns into an arrest, it's better not to fight, submit, be arrested, and then deal with the incident in court. That's why you have lawyers like me who will fight on your behalf if you are wronged by the police. Please continue to send me your questions. You can DM me or email me, and I will talk to you tomorrow.